Hi, my name is Alec with Meridian Service Metro District here in Colorado Springs, Colorado. And I've been seeing a lot of Orec videos online and got the opportunity to test some of their equipment here on our 40 acres of open space and ponds and our 20 or so miles of trails and see what they can handle when it comes to our willows, reeds, wetlands, and that sort of thing. So we have a tractor with a brush hog on it that we can't take into the wet areas of the pond because it gets stuck. We've also tried using the zero turn 60-inch. It's small, takes a long time, and again, we can't get into the wet areas, and the thicker areas are not doable with the zero turn. So we end up having to try and hand prune and or cut with a chainsaw or hedge trimmer or brush cutter, and that's just way too many man hours and impossible for the amount of land we have. And the brush rover excels everything and made our lives a lot easier. Where other machines can't even drive, let alone cut through the 6-8 feet of willows. It was very easy to use and didn't stop at anything you threw at it. After using this brush rover, I told my boss right away we need to get one, and I'm telling him every week until we get one.